Hello everyone and welcome back to InfoBits. You are watching part 2 of the video tutorial series on OpenShot. In this video we will learn how to split a video, how to join two parts of a video and join two different videos, and we'll also try to put some effects like fade in, fade out and slow motion and fast forward effects to our video. So let's start. Before starting the editing, we first have to import the files to the project area which we want to edit. For that, you go to the file, go to import files and you choose the destination where you have kept your required file to be edited. For example, I want to import all these files of this folder and click on open. And you see that all the files have been imported to the project area, and we will use all these files for exploring different activities. So now you see that the required files which we want to edit have been added to the project area. And now you choose the file which you want to edit first and drag it to the timeline like this. This is a short clip and you can resize it, that is you can let me play it for you just to have a look what the file is all about. Okay, so say I want now to split the file. So for splitting the video you have to select this razor tool from here, click on this and then you select the part of the video which you want to trim. Click here and now you see that the video has been divided into two parts. You can again split the video by clicking over here and see that now there are three files that has been divided from the original file. Now you can deselect the razor tool and now you can move each part like this and you can join it like this, and whichever part you do not want you simply select this and click the delete key from your keyboard and the part will be deleted. Again I select this part, I click delete key from my keyboard and the part is deleted. So I have only this portion left from my original video. Now if I click on this and you see that only my desired part is left in my video. And if you are not satisfied with whatever you have done so far, you can simply get it undone by clicking on Ctrl Z together. So whenever you click on Ctrl Z, all the changes that you had made will be reverted back and you will get your original file, and you will get your original file like this. Now say I again want to split my video into two parts and I want to join some other clip in between my video. For that let me go back to the razor tool again. For example, say I want to split my video into two equal parts. Click here and you see that the video has been split into two parts. Deselect and move the parts apart. Now say I want to add another clip in between these two clips. For that let me try to add this clip in between the original file. So the new clip has been added in between the original files. Now here comes the function of this snapping tool. If you select this snapping tool, if you just move a particular part to a second part, the parts get automatically attached to each other. So now that I have attached a different file in between my original file, let us have a look how it looks like. Now you see that in between the original clip actually a different clip has been added. So this way you can join two different video files, or you can join one video file with an image file according to your wish. You can also join one audio file and a video file together. You can also adjust the size of the files by dragging it like this. Now you can see that while moving from the first clip to the second clip, the transition is sudden. But you can change the effect. Now how to do that? There are two simple ways. First, you can do it by two ways. First, you can drag the file to overlap the files which you want to join together, and if you now play the files, the transition effect. So have you noticed the transition effect? I will undo these changes now. The next way by which I can add transition is that by going to this transition tab. So join the clips together which you want to join for one video, and from here, from this available option of transition, you can choose any one and drag it to the portion where you want to get it. Say I want this transition in one part and the second transition in another, and I can again adjust the transition time, and now if I play, you notice the transitions. So this way you can add transitions to different files when you join them together. Now say I do not want these videos and I want only this video to remain on my timeline, and I want to put some effects to this video. So this is the original video, as you can see. Now I'll try to put some effects like some fade in or fade out effects to the video. For that, I'll right click on the clip. For that, I will right click on the video, go to fade, then start of the clip, fade in fast or slow. So click on fade in fast, and again go to fade, end of the clip, similarly fade out fast. If I play the video now, you see that an effect has been added to the video, that it has not been started abruptly, but fade in effect has been added to it, and at the end of the video again you see that a fade out effect has been added. Let us again try to see some other effects to a video. Remove this clip from my timeline and put this clip again on the timeline, and let us now see some other effects on the clip. And this time say I want to add the slow motion effect to this particular video. Before that, let me show you the original video once again. So this is the original video. Now I pause it, and now I right click on this, go to time, slow, forward, say I choose 1/4x, and now if I play, let's see the effect. Now you can see that the entire video has been converted to a slow motion effect. I can also adjust the movement by selecting the speed. For example, if I select this 1/8x, you see that the length of the video has been increased. That means the effect has been added to this video, and this time it is much slower than the original one. So this way you can add slow motion effect to any video, and you can adjust the movement at what speed you want your video to be. Like the slow motion effect, you can also add fast forward effect to your video. So go to time again, go to fast forward, and 8x again, and This time since I have chosen the fast forward option, so you have seen that the size of the video has been reduced to a noticeable amount. And if I play the video now, let's see the effect. You may be seeing some lagging while playing the video. It is because I have put it in the software, but when you export the video, this lagging will be removed, and hence there is nothing to worry about this. That's all for this part. Hope it was helpful. If you liked this video, please click on like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. In the next part, we will learn how to separate inbuilt audio tracks from a video file, and we'll also see how to add some text or title to a video and add some animations to that. So keep watching.